Hey guys, this is Maria from ShibiSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use an Instagram promote button. Instagram promotion feature lets users turn existing posts into ads. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab, pick a post that you would like to promote and tap to open it. Click on the Promote button in the bottom right corner of the post and start filling in the details of your promotion. Choose where you want to send an audience. You can select from options like your profile, your website, or your direct messages. After that, hit the arrow icon in the top right corner. Select your target audience. It can be automatic. That means Instagram will target people like your followers, or you may manually create your own target audience. Once the target audience is selected, tap the arrow icon one more time. Now decide on how much you want to spend daily and how long you want the promotion to run. Then click on the arrow icon. In order to complete your promotion, press on the Create Promotion button and wait until it will be reviewed and approved. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use an Instagram promote button. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at ShibiSocial.com.